Baby, you want to open this?
Yes.
You know what is this? Microwave.
Microwave.
Microwave 哦，微波炉。微波炉 ，Hello， 大家好 ，Hi everyone. This is the microwave. I got it from the Boost. Yes, there's the eWallet. I exchanged my Boost coins for this microwave in the Play Store Mall. If you want to know how to redeem your Boost coin, you can go to my previous video, which is on the right hand side of this video. Right hand side here, right hand side. Okay. So now I'm going to unbox this microwave. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I use 31,900 Boost coin. Okay, it's equivalent to 319 ringgit. So this microwave worth about 300 ringgit. Okay. So you can see this microwave. The box is quite big. I think it's bigger than my baby. And then it's very heavy. Okay, let's open it. 很重哦，那个 microwave 哦，319块，我在那个 Boost 那边兑换我的 coin 了。如果你们想要知道这个 ，yes， 这个他们是这样子兑换那个 Boost coin， 你们可以去我之前的 video 看，去我的视频的右上角 I 的地方点击一下，你们就可以找到我之前的 video 了。OK， 来看一下我这个 microwave 几大个，哇，很大个哦，300块钱，319个 coin， 这个 microwave， 319个 coin 就代表319块钱了啊、哇，太大个了，不知道想拿上来。哇，很漂亮哦，银色的 ，it's silver，so it's quite beautiful， 哇。And very expensive, very heavy. Oh, heavy. Wow. Okay, it's nice. You see? Wow. Silver in color. Maybe you stand here. Stand here. Okay, now open it. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay. There's the manual and the warranty card. Okay, this is the plate inside. Okay, it's quite big. Okay, this is the glass. The glass plate, baby, cannot touch glass. Okay, quite big. Okay. Yeah. No, so you can when we switch on, this one will move. Okay. So it's very beautiful. The microwave is very beautiful. 这个微波炉很漂亮啊，银色的哦 ，it's silver and it's nice. Okay, sharp. 哦，它的牌子是 sharp 的。So next we will make some sweet corn. 我们要用这个微波炉来煮这个这个玉蜀黍哦，这个夹果 ，OK， 好，所以我们等一下我们来看一下这样子煮了哈 ，OK。OK， 现在呢，我们来用这个我们的微波炉，we use a microwave to cook this. What this? Sweet, yeah, sweet corn, jagung， 好，玉蜀黍。OK， 首先我们打开我们的 microwave， 然后我们就把我们的玉蜀黍放进去就可以了。OK， 然后呢 ，OK， 然后呢，我们就关住门。OK， 我们把温度呢，我们调去 medium high 啊。OK， 然后呢，我们转6分钟。哦。 OK， 然后你看它就在走了。OK， so the temperature is medium high and for 6 minutes. Okay, when we turn the time, we switch to 6 minutes, it will be on automatically. Okay, so that's so easy, so convenient. Can you see? Can you see the sweet corn inside? Wait.
Christine, look at mommy. What inside the microwave?
Oh,
Yes, want to eat?
yes.
Hmm.
Wow, 嗅到香味哦。Smell good or smell bad? Oh, it's done. Okay, let's see inside. Wow, 哇，醋烟哦。OK， 好，现在我们扒开我们的这一个 sweet corn。OK，let's look at our sweet corn. Wow, wow, you see? Oh, baby.
Sweet corn lover.
Another one. Wow. So it's so convenient. 很方便。就这样子哦，我们就有这个加工一数数可以吃了。